Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin inside Outlook. Open Home, then Rules, then Manage Rules and Alerts. You must confirm your account type, Exchange, IMAP, or POP, because server rules behave differently. Once done, click New Rule to pick a template or start from a blank rule. You choose whether the rule should run on incoming or outgoing messages and whether it needs server processing. Make sure to name the rule clearly so you can find it later, and select the mailbox or folder target as the very first action. Now you define the condition logic. You pick senders, subject words, or message properties that trigger the rule. You then assign actions, move to a folder, forward to another address, categorize, flag, or delete, combine multiple actions if needed. Once you set actions, add exceptions so important messages aren't caught, like internal notices or mailing lists. Use the Edit Rule Description link to fine-tune phrases and folders. Then test with a sample message. To verify the rule matches, finish by setting when the rule runs and by ordering it correctly. Rules at the top run first, and you stop processing more rules when you want a single outcome. You should run the rule now on the current folder to validate behavior, then enable it. If something fails, verify whether it's client-only, Outlook must be open, versus server-side, check mailbox rule size limits, and inspect overlapping conditions. If needed, simplify complex rules into smaller ones and retest until reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.